osboxes.org. Here you'll get ready-made operating systems only related to Linux, because Windows license uh, for trial version it will expire for every 2 months or 3 months, but for Linux they are lifelong. So that's why these free operating systems they customize and upload here. Go to this VM images. There are two formats, VMware and VirtualBox. Just go to VirtualBox. I will download, let's say, Fedora. See whether Red Hat is available, because Red Hat is not a free one, so that's why it is not available. But you can get a developer edition as a trial. I will show you in another video how to install that. So present let's take Fedora only. Yeah, download. Let's say 31. If you want VMware format, you can click this one. I'm downloading 64-bit. Seven minutes. Similarly, let me uh, take another operating system also. Let's say Debian one. Direct Ubuntu, not Ubuntu server. Okay, the latest one, Localfossa. And you can browse whichever operating system you want. Black Lab, Android. Let's try this Bodhi. Lightweight, minimum enlightened. Based on Ubuntu that features the enlightenment window manager. Minimal base. Okay, it's a minimum OS. So let's download this also. It's only 600 MB. Ubuntu is 1.6 GB. So all these may contain a .vdf. All these are just hard disk files, a virtual hard disk files. So you cannot directly load them into Hyper-V. And moreover, if they are in the .vhd format, you can create an operating system in Hyper-V. But for that, you need a uh, converter separately to convert VDI to VHD, and then you can load directly. So Bodhi Linux is downloaded. So let me show you where you can get the converter. and you can, this is my blog. You can go to my applications, virtual hard disk converter, and present I released 3 versions, so you need to, later I might provide version 4 or version 5 or anything, but you download every time the latest version. I have hosted in 2 different websites, so whichever link is available at that time, just check, either one of them should work. Keep, yeah, downloaded. Let's go to this both the Linux ones. Yeah, BSD 7-zip, OpenRQ 64-bit. Yeah, both is 6.5 something. So let me create a folder here for hard disks. Okay, just copy here. Yeah, other operating systems are still downloading. Now what you need to do is go to this C, and go to this downloads, convert VM, copy this is the tool created by me. It's a wrapper for command line utilities of VirtualBox. uh, you don't need to install VirtualBox to convert now, just you can download this tool and you can use this directly. Go to C drive, it's only 76 MB left, that's why it's not downloading. So let me stop the process here and I will show you in another video after cleaning.